Printing out your documents on Windows 10 or Windows 11 should be an easy task. Unfortunately, this printer error may sometimes ruin your plans, preventing you from connecting to your printer. Now, if this is also happening to you, here are some steps on how you can fix it. First, try to restart Printer Spooler. Just open Task Manager. Find and expand the process named Spooler Subsystem app. Then you get the Printer Spooler task. Now right-click on the task, choose Open Services, and the Services tool will open. Then just keep it as is. Now next, you have to come back to the Task Manager tool, right-click again on the Printer Spooler, but this time, choose the option Stop. Now head over to the Services utility, find the Printer Spooler service, right-click the service, then select Start from the context menu. Next, apply all Windows 11 pending updates. Just go to Settings, select Windows Update, then you can either click Check for Updates or download and install the Updates button. Now once the update download and installation are complete, your Windows 11 will ask you to restart the device. Lastly, you can uninstall recent Windows updates. Just search for your control panel, go to Programs and Features, choose View Installed Updates, then uninstall all the latest updates. And that's how you can fix this Windows printer error on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.